CPI National Executive Member Dr. Moirangtham Nara says drafting of stakeholders' memorandum on Indo-Naga peace talk is completed. Protest against threat to territorial integrity of Manipur by final agreement of Indo-Naga unabated. Manipur Electricity Employees Union warns of cease-work strike right after New Chakova if their salary is not released before October 29. Governor Dr. Nasma Haftullah reviews late Rajasri Begar Chandra for his contributions in popularizing Manipur's art and culture. And Directorate of Ayush along with State Ayush Society observed 4th Ayurveda Day on Ayurveda for Longevity theme. Hello and welcome to Impact News, watching Primetime English News. I'm Kanguzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. CPI National Executive Member Dr. Moirangtham Nara, who is also the member of the drafting committee formed in connection with possible culmination of the Indo-Naga peace talks, has disclosed that drafting of a memorandum containing the desires and interest of the people of Manipur and all the political parties is ready. Speaking to media at CPI Manipur State Council office in Irrawaddy Bhavan today, Dr. Nara stated that the 9-member drafting committee, including the Chief Minister, finalized the memo at around 11 a.m. today. He added that it was decided to visit Delhi tomorrow itself to submit the memorandum to the Prime Minister and the Home Minister. However, due to lack of appointment from the central leaders, tickets booked for tomorrow have been cancelled. Dr. Nara assured that the memorandum will be submitted to the central leaders at the earliest.
Aikoi more amatta khena batawdana demand kayam yanabangami pointing adu mayam punamuna phawri baduni final oina mayam da lauthokpu yaba potu da aina lauthokpu yadabani na ngakpi gani, but it's very much inclusive territorial integrity gi wafam socio political cultural economic loina na aikoi gi hingiba punsi mare na sida sahi kaya gi chathareiba chanapathab asida akaiba piraktana bagi pointing ase loina inclusive tawen RN Ravi issue magi video madasu thadure pangai da haina bapur mayam si ore aina aigi statement oina press conference to giba leite hairiba mayam sida tongan tongan photo mayam yauksan basu thengnai madu achumba matta natte ana ma yaningdana phongdo eba adubu koi punamang khangi something is happening process se sahi kaya chatharakpa achobi issue manina masi losalamdai da nawyek ma pi widi hongna sani so let us see koi we are hopeful adubu section dabdi ade.
Vendors of Korai Lamlong Market held a public alert meeting at Lamlong today against threat to the territorial integrity of Manipur with the culmination of Indo-Naga peace talks. A woman protester, R.K. Dhanapati, welcomed the conclusion of the ongoing peace talk but warned of intense agitation far severe than the June 18 uprising if the final agreement of the peace talk ever harmed the territorial integrity of Manipur. She urged the 60 state MLAs to pressurize the center not to let the final Indo-Naga framework agreement harm the state. Protesters chanted various slogans during the meet. Manipur police personnel kept a strict vigilant in the area to avoid any untoward incident.
Koi sis payani na lai ma matam ja koi khang da na dom lai khang ba ya ba khang ai dubu huji waro selama porakani ha bes da koi yam harawi yam nungai masi gi waro sin se ja koi gi Manipur sidai da kai ba ya ba akoi gi ngangkhai da sok pa ya ba pot ama he yauram ba tar ga di akoi si ba ki da na tholakani ngasi akoi na phami ba se hau ba na te masi akoi ha na da gi na ready taw na lai ba ni duna huji masai da sarkar India government na Manipur gi akoi gi MLA humpu sina party gi yengbi ganu ruling da su yengbi ganu adagi akoi gi opposition ruling hai ba lai bi ganu sa manana mafam phammi ba sarkar gi sil humpu se sa manana hobi ro adu ga saman ha ga ima lai bak sik kan biu akoi gi sis payani.
Residents of Kwakithel, Moirangpur and Laikai, members of Laisem Mera Loop and Young United Club carried out public alert meet under the banner of Kokomi at Ngana Pitong today against threat to Manipur by the final agreement of the Indo-Naga peace talks. Kesamthong Sana Jasmatant Club members and Mera Paibi under the club also carried out protest meet against the same at Kesamthong, Moirang Ningtho Leirak Machin today. Protesters demanded the 60 state MLAs to take a firm stance to protect Manipur. Women folks of Thobal district also staged a sit-in chanting various slogans against threat to territorial integrity of Manipur by the culmination of the Indo-Naga peace talks by Wangzing Bazaar today. Women vendors of Thobal Kaitelt and members of Wangzing Glamding Meira Paibi Apun Balup carried out the protest under the banner of Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity Kokomi. Protest demonstrations were also carried out under the initiative of Coordinating Committee Jiribam on Manipur Integrity in Jiribam district today. Students of various schools in the district formed human chain and protested any threat to Manipur by the final agreement of the Indo-Naga peace talk between the Indian government and Indonesian IM. Protesting students formed human chains chanting various slogans from Jiribam Higher Secondary School till the Irabot statue at Babupara in Jiribam.
Waridagi hona apun bagi saktam amaga loina khunda minir khurun asida koi integrity da koi boundary da Manipur ki phim sida akai bu oirakadaba Manipur interest solakadaba phim amada de Manipur da khunda minir phur khuding mangna sigi waroi sila porakpasida yesilakba amal leiragadi koi madugi mayok da lepkani hairi banaga ki waroi sil sebudi welcome tawi wakhaina ba ma lakum madamda madu wakai amaga loina de porakbiroi da
President of All Manipur Muslim Organization Coordinating Committee, Amokok S.M. Jalan has extended full solidarity to any hesitations against threat to Manipur. Speaking at the one-day Bangan Convention held at the residence of Assistant Professor Janab Ashraf Ali in Hata Golapati today, S.M. Jalan asserted that Manipur comprises of various communities. MLA Muhammad Asabuddin, Lipul Chief Advisor M.A. Jabbar, MCM Advisor Muhammad Azimuddin and other attended the Bangan Convention.
India lengakna thengkhang kayarakta North East leiriba tongan bakanglup kayagi furup kayagi marakta leiriba dugumba ihau kayase masida amatta oina yengbirakanda yamna comprehensive oiba apunba miyeng ama khakta yengbirakanda leiriba issue sing ase phajana loisanna bohona bibagi mahutta amaromda amuk tongshan amada ama haijan ama khara amuk inkhat ama khara amuk namtha ama khara amuk wangkhalan ama khara amuk nemhan sumaina choi chang olaga sanabagi thawong ama haugiba chahi diket khara sida India lengakna chatharakpagi mami ama yamna chawngna tai
Yelhomi Kanba Apun Baluv YKAL in a press release also warned against any threat to Manipur by the culmination of the Indo-Naga peace talk between NEC and IM and Indian government. Manipur Electricity Employees Union has warned to carry out ceasework strike right after Ningol Chakoba festival if their due salary is not released before October 29. Speaking to media at the union office in Kesampat today, Union Working President Laisom Ibomcha stated that there are around 3,444 employees under Manipur State Power Company Limited and Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited. He condemned the government for failing to pay their salary regularly since 2014. Ibomcha maintained that other government employees have started getting their salary before Ningol Chakoba, as announced by the State Finance Department to release the same by October 22. He expressed disappointment that 2 months' salary of the employees under the unions are still pending. Ibomcha urged the Chief Minister, Power Minister and Power Commissioner to look into their plights considering the fact Ningol Chakoba Festival, which is one of the biggest festivals of the Meitei community, is just around the corner.
yam tuna akoi gi government attention pibiraga koi chief minister honorable power minister na commissioner MD anina kana tanaraga tanabiraga akoi tolopsi pitoknaba koi gi press ki through appeal tawjari 29 bang bunga pibiu thani tolopsi natraga di akoi gi ek suti hangbaga festival si loraga si jwai haujargani masida akoi praja miyam su kaisu waru budi khande akoi masida sojok pibiu adu company ani hingnaba honabada masagi ojo ithak punamak thaduga thabuk tawjibu employee punamak se moigi mai thai punamak si hingnaba pambai pibinaba press ki media through appeal tawjari.
Governor Dr. Nazma Heftala lauded late Rajashree Bega Chandra as a multifaceted and futuristic king who worked for the welfare of the people. Releasing the book titled Rajashree Bega Chandra and Bhakti Movement in Eastern Indian Literature, written by Ahibam Koireng at Ras Bhavan today, Governor Dr. Nazma Heftala recalled the contributions of late Rajashree Bega Chandra in popularizing the art and culture of the state to the world.
The rich cultural wealth of Manipur was born out of the imaginative mind and religious integrity and unity of the Maharaja Bhagchandra by blending the native pre-Hindu religious element and cultural tradition with the great tradition of Hinduism leading to the birth of a state-patronized, peculiar and unique form of Hindu Vaishnavite cult of religion. It is the culture he had started that put Manipur on the global map. During his rule, a vibrant society prevailed, and there was a cultural renaissance never before seen in the state.
Directorate of Ayush along with State Ayush Society observed the 4th Ayurveda Day today. The event was held on the theme Ayurveda for Longevity at State Family Welfare Training Center in Lamphel. Speaking at the event, Health Minister Lampolapam Jayantikumar disclosed that government will be recruiting 75 more staff in the near future to strengthen the manpower of Directorate of Ayush. He encouraged the present staff to carry out their duties with patience and innovativeness. Minister Jayantikumar urged the staff to execute their works on time so that utilization certificates may be forwarded to the center on time to facilitate further sanctioning of funds for more projects.
Resource legislation of the Pashaka PBU sing out and a quite Henry Chalising at Maltane. But Moin Harapon can be Kajeta. Maybe a pide come with the Kamato 90 Hatter, the English account put so 90 Hatter. But 90 Hatter give it to Kamato utilization had the people to whom the Vajoka don't they have a name. I don't want to have Mr. Singh, please. Nang Salo, Aduka Kamato, you please ask your boys to utilize this 90. Then come back again with certain requests for another round of additional funding. However, some like the quit of Domian, but talk about Tomayan, Jacmato, Honey, Peshaji, could Lushimangam, the Badiaki worry. Kaido Wingham there, quite the sincerity valley, dedication valley, then, but in Madimata Dakweda, men polito. In total, I use a department of 165 say, Wiki, Shamjan post, 165 like it of Munita, hardly a village of 140, 50 to Kakiwa the neighbor.
Over 300 trucks loaded with goods are stranded along the 7.5-kilometer stretch of National Highways number 53 in Faljiri Road between Barak to Santikuno. Impact News sources said that CRPF personnel have halted the trucks coming towards Imphal. People have urged the authorities concerned to let the goods trucks move in view of the upcoming Ningol Chakoba. Spokesperson of the waiting list candidate of Manipur Police Constable Mel 2013 batch, T.H. Pradeep Kumar urged the authorities concerned to consider the over 200 candidates on the waiting list of the Manipur Police Constable 2013 before the Ningol Chakoba Festival. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, T.H. Pradeep Kumar thanked the present government for declaring the result of Manipur Police Constable 2013 batch and urged the government to consider those candidates on the waiting list for around 7 years.
Region out of Viduna, our Kohan Biki, Koimi, Chani, waiting list labor, Koimdi, Nasimaksho, Waduna lady. On every chairman, Nushi Viduna, Akoi, Chani Mopo, Taco, Wamang, Loxon Biduna, Isan Jesing Wokoi, Taco, with the Puning Santilena, Nuxina, Taco, Panganvio, Haiduna, on every Chiang, Puning Chin Jabagalorena, Loen, Watering up with the soup, Lenga Sigimakada, Loen, Watering up with the soup, Koi was a water down Lohan Bill.
Members of Manipur Laumi Loop carried out a mass protest rally urging the government to fulfill their various demands from Oinam Kaitel till Oinam SDC office in Bishnupur district today. The protesters then submitted a memorandum including 18 charter of demands to the authorities concerned through the SDC office. The demands included adequate pensions for senior citizens, proper functioning of the Lotak lift irrigation, and to fully implement free and compulsory education scheme. Khairamban market is swarmed with people coming to buy goods in view of Ningol Jacoba. Impact News reporter Elangbam Musuk and camera person P. Bobo bring you an exclusive report.
Maitai singi sahi amagi manungda amuktang thokpa khwaidai sawa kumhai singi manungda ama oiba yangai gi nini pamda sahi khuding pangthok nariba Ningon Jacobi kumhai asiga mari leinana Khairamban kaithenda mi tin magi sang asi nong nongmagi asum hengalai ngasi asi mafam asida pot leiba laiba sing amadi pot yoliba singa unaduna kumhai asi gi chem saba sing asi gi matangda wari sabagi tanjadu laujage Leva kirang sui am lei sako boje karam banu mi tasat kani kamai tahu.
Aku di kuma batang kuma pun sakani.
Sako bagi yum dai pam da silai ro kan hai badi lei bira bo.
Hai lei de apam bada le helle.
Itai mo di handa ki sako sat pi gar kamai.
Sakani aina khanja badi miam je aphaba purok sanu nungai aphaba pur punna puminaraga chakhapa mi ma oinaraji na haijaningi.
Adagi ningon me anju wakan ta na akoigi araiba khara duna hara hara saming khuminaraga dakina duna sinna hele chimna wali haningai letena dum kari haitare akoigi hara hara tawbira khara du hara hara logba
mamang sahi singa handa ka yengna bada pose tangkhat len lobra
anang na khara tangkhat ba dong tawe lai ra ba khoidari kitang matha sai
Kasu yam hene kasu takate.
Akogi pot zol maje mamang sahi singa handa ka je kanana set
As mamang chahi ne am hele hantak yam siti. Khangdi shi kamai de mayang khulai rak te yom bana natraga na dukala yam hanga pachina khangdi.
bo ningon sako wi kumhai je sin lak pasi isa da kari phaubi
Sam nungai mabung mapa adagi laikai dugi lai sin imanabi singda thengnarani aduga laitaba khangde ama khangde ko moina atauba singda adum khoi nungai na dum punni haitare aigi motadi ko adum apiba khara dum logjage le akhoisu dum angamba khara puraga dum chachage khalle
oi ma handa ki bu pot siu kamai taubi ge
pang na sana ba yon ba ka he na yon ba di oi di kara di yole dum hakum dai di kumsina mamanjo dum potang khalakoni na kara dum he do hin daure
ko bo je handa sat ka doiro na ta yum ko ge
jatuiba sakani
sako wala ko je sida isa da kari ga phaubi ge
hi yam nungai takau basina ningon jingbu ningsinga le da na mapam se aduna aku me am ju zaninge digi masi manam loi unare nungsina badu ulle
dakina da na te ba mabung mapwa nungsina na saksara ma samina bado api bado phane amata pira so phim ta pira so hara hara lo bado aduga dana ba se sina wahale ba mabung mapwa da nungsina ga da bado ona taina na nungsina da ba oina sat liye ba
oi te mo oi do sako wi pot khambi
aw khanbiri
handa sako bo sat ka doiro
chachu sakani yumda ju kaungni
sako gi si kumhai la ko je sida isa da kari phaubi ge
nungai bam phau
sananga si handa sako
sakani
kai lam da sat kani kana ga satmina ni
akhoi maga hayangda
sako da yumgi ma mo hoi kai hoi da ado si layo na hai gi ba lai rabo
laitera hap adum lawani pamna
Akoi je chakau budi am chaning ba adu bo padrak tare chakau bo chapangam gadra ngamoidra khangde ba adu chatti chattuin mayam jana pot lei badi ne lei bi da ba adu ga ne pongot ta ot ba adu yang wa ba paisa je chakau chat na bagi ne ta li ne ba khoi chu to yon gam dam ni na ne kitang pura chatta
ado posit se kamai tauge
posisi adu ki mati handare kai gi no haibadane footpath ne yamna chakhaiba jingna maram oiraga ne akoi gi pose adu ki mati handare akoi chahi mari manga gi mamang da dina footpath se phamallam da banina akoi adu ki mati
ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕꯗ ꯑꯁꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯁꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯤꯠ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕ
ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯐꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯝꯃꯤꯅꯦ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯈꯟꯁꯤꯔꯥꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯝꯃꯤꯅꯦ
ꯑꯣ ꯄꯥꯕꯨꯡ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯆꯩ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯝꯃꯤꯔꯣ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯆꯩ ꯂꯩꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯄꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡꯗꯝꯅꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯕꯨꯡꯗꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯤꯒꯦ
ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯏꯆꯝ ꯆꯝꯅ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯆꯔꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯥꯔꯒ ꯏꯆꯝ ꯆꯝꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯐꯅꯦꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯏꯟꯅꯐꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯏꯆꯝ ꯆꯝꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯧꯒꯦꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯔꯤ
ꯋꯦꯇꯦꯟ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯠꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯆꯍꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ
ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯇꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯦꯂꯨꯝꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯁꯤꯠꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯉꯥꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯅꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯦꯂꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯁꯥꯖꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯎꯌꯣꯡꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯇꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯁꯤꯠꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯥ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯁꯤꯠꯄꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ
ꯅꯤꯉꯣꯜ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯨꯝꯍꯩꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯅ ꯈꯨꯔꯥꯝꯕꯟ ꯀꯩꯊꯦꯜꯗ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯌꯣꯟꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯇꯤꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯨꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯛꯏ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯕꯨꯡ ꯃꯧꯄ꯭ꯋꯥ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯆꯦ ꯃꯆꯟꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯖꯔꯕ ꯀꯨꯝꯍꯩ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯊꯝꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯩꯍꯧꯔꯣꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯂꯕ ꯀꯨꯝꯍꯩ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯊꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯔꯪ ꯑꯔꯥꯛꯇ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯄꯤꯕꯗ ꯂꯝꯖꯦꯟ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯦꯞꯂꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯅꯔꯛꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛ ꯈꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯤꯉꯣꯜ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯏꯝꯄꯦꯛ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯀꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯀꯦꯃꯦꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯔꯁꯟ ꯄꯤ ꯕꯣꯕꯣꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯝꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥ ꯑꯦꯂꯥꯡꯕꯝ ꯃꯨꯁꯨꯛ ꯈꯨꯔꯥꯝꯕꯟ ꯀꯩꯊꯦꯜ.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on 2-day state-level consultation program on sexual and reproductive health rights organized by HRLN. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. Human Rights Law Network HRLN organized 2-day state-level consultation program on sexual and reproductive health rights at the conference hall of Cooperative Management Lamphel Park today. Speaking at the event, HRLN Manipur Director Maihobam Rakis expressed disappointment that pregnant women are still deprived of various facilities meant for them at primary health sub-center, primary health center, community health center, and district hospitals of the state. He also asserted that various schemes provided by the government like JSSK, JSY are yet to be fully implemented in the state. Maihobam Rakis asserted that the program aimed to create awareness on how to get legal assistance to ensure the sexual and reproductive health rights. ASA workers, Angawati workers, law students and paramedical volunteers attended the event.
सरकारगी तोंगान-तोंगानबा स्कीमसिंग रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ मरी लेनबा से खुदमोन हाबदा JSSK ओइरो JSY ओइरो नत्रगा प्रधानमंत्री मतुबा बंधन योजना ओइरो हाइरिबा कनोसिंग असी मसी मागी ऑपरेशनल गाइडलाइन दा हाइरिबा सिंग अदु चपचाना अखोगी मणिपुरदी थबोन ओंथोकबा ngamdaba asingmo mayamsina maram odana praja sing madugi intended beneficiary sing adudadi mapung phana khudong chabadu phangdaba asingmo sing ase akoi matau karamna konba yagadage aduga masi kona bu hanabada akhoigi legally intervene toba while singi mating lodana akhoi karamna intervene toba yagadage haiba pandam sida impham oiraga numinini gi thorom de sinjabani.
Huyen Lalong Manipur Thang Cultural Association Irilbung held its 61st Foundation Day observance at its office in Irilbung of the Imphal East today. Former Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor H. Tombi, released the association souvenir on the occasion. Speaking at the event, Association Director K. Sanathoiba stated that ancient Thangta art for defense has transformed into a performing art in the modern time. He appreciated Association founder cum Thangta legend Let G. Gaurakishore for his role in promoting the indigenous art form to the world. He lauded the government for taking measures to promote Thangta by including it in the school syllabus. He maintained that efforts are underway to include Thangta as a sport event in national and international levels. He also disclosed that efforts are on to hold Thangta festival this December. M&M artists of the association were felicitated on the occasion. Thangta performances and other entertainment items marked the event.
Thangta gi sports isu akoi bharat ki mapanda te leba khara da su masi sandoktana yamna kana honari aduga Manipur da sumasi CM nasu masigi kano sida ade kharena thawai yauna hona ba hai tare adun hadaki sahidagi December manungda festival aso ma thang ta yone to ne na masi honari aduga masida live stage da ngasagi thang ta gi culture gi oiba machak si seida semgolak iba masigi lairiba machak sing ase sport lomda loino puthoki bi apot oidaba aduna maram oidna mase ani se sport ta khara masigi sorokra khadukra gisu mapung oibdi thang ta se art ke akoi culture gi manungdagi masi hendona thamakanda thang ta se tungkuini ngone haba wafam masi aina phongdokchaningi
Mahut Commissioner Mongjam Joy kick-off Sehri Samridi Utsav Mela organized by Manipur Urban Development Agency at Hatakang Zaibong and Palace Compound today. The fair will enlighten stakeholders of Din Dayant Antyodana Yojana National Urban Livelihood Mission DAY NULM and provide a marketing platform for self-help groups under National Urban Livelihood Mission to sell their products. Mahut Director T.H. Harikumar, DAY NULM National Mission Manager Ravi Solanki, officials of Mahut and Muda attended the event. Speaking at the event, Mahut Commissioner Mongjam Joy said that selected self-help groups formed the fair will participate in the upcoming fair to be held in Delhi next year in February. He also urged the relevant officials to aware self-help groups about bank loan facilities provided under National Livelihood Mission. Speaking on the occasion, Mahut Director T.H. Harikumar also assured that the state government will take steps to market the products of his HCs online.
Amaga competition tawagi kudong sawa phangba aina puthoiba posi sumai daro puthokpani sumai sembani nangina kamai tawi haibagi moi myam dagi sem sariba mayam singa sigi moigi tanaba yawagi rumama phanganba adungo mela hariba mela sina yamna toina tawraga loinana ekhoi leriba local body singa leriba executive officer singna hariba self help group singa sing fajana sagolaga siguma platform da tholawa matungda ekhoi hariba mission sigi makhada ekhoi bank gi loan piba yaba moina paikhaliba trade adugi makhada kayam chauna ekhoi bank dagi loan loba yaba punamak singa si ekhoi moida facilities singa si pina bagi madugi khanana naba adugi khudong sawa sudum phangani.
Two-day tourism orientation program to include weavers in the tourism circuit kicked off at the Imphal Peace Museum in Maibam Tlokpa Hill, Nambol Bisnupur today. The program on the theme Tourism for Weavers is being organized by Manipur Tourism Forum and Directorate of Handlooms and Textiles, Government of Manipur. Many resource persons enlightened around 20 weavers from different parts of the state on how to integrate weaving with the tourism sector. Many resource persons giving lectures on tourism and handloom enlightened the ideas. Officers from the Directorate of Handlooms and Textiles and Manipur Tourism Forum took part in the event.
Handloom and Textile sigi sida sariba fisabi singsi tourism gi matangda moibu hena khanganaba atuga karamba production charaga hena chatkadagi kaina haibagi wakhalon ama tawjabani atopa amana gi yang thangumdagi horaga iromaijaw isok pukhambram adagi sanjimbam sigumba jaga singsida koina tourism gi handloom and textile gi circuit ama develop tawbasida haidiba jaga singsida leidiba kogi fisabi sing asida tourism gi oiba wakhalon khara moida phone naba aduga hojik tourism da karamba production charaga di tourism the hena kana gadagi haiba adumba wakhalon mayam so koi masigi 2 days program sida koi khangan nabagi tanjama logjabani.
Lilong police team led by OC Inspector O Azid along with members of Anjumant and Alada arrested a drug kingpin in the wee hours today. The arrested drug kingpin is 35-year-old FM Abtar Hussain, son of Habibur Rahman from Lilong Hauribi Mayay Laikai. The team under the supervision of Tobal SP Dr. S. Ibomcha arrested the miscreant from his hideout at Kiamgay Mamang Laikai at around 1 a.m. today. Abtar is said to be involved in the huge drug haul case of October 22. Jiribam District Police has seized foreign liquors worth around 9,60,000 rupees in the local market. Speaking to media at Jiribam Police Station in Babupara today, Jiribam SP Moirang Temmubi said that the foreign liquors were seized from a truck bearing registration number AS255344 coming from Assam at foreigners checkpost at around 11th last night. He added that interrogation of the truck driver revealed that the liquors were loaded from Nalapara in Guwahati, Assam. The arrested driver is 28-year-old Khairakpam Dromes, son of Khairakpam Lalit from Awang Sekmai Mayay Laikai of the Imphal West District.
war against drug kamari lenana mayai kaba chinjak sing pusulpagi thingnanaba akhoi check tobu matamda chieliba tata truck sing si matang check tobuna lepa matamda masigi koina thengnariba tata truck tilau lu purakpa mahage tata number na AS25C 5344 hai basi check tobu matamda asigulaba Indian make foreign liquor singasi aba angki.
Ningol Chakoba Annual Fish Fair organized by the Fisheries Department is expected to be grander this year. Impact News reporter Elangba Mushuk and camera person P. Bobo brings you an exclusive interview with the Fisheries Minister and KSC in this regard.
Hausi ayakna laiba phamasi New Secretary laiba Fishery Minister and KSC gi office chamber dani hausi ahan bamukta da koina hangjaning se sahi khuding leptuna pangthorokpa ningon chakoba mai leinana koi nga gi mela je handak sahi oina date kaya da karam pham da pangthoknabgi damakta nga ki makai digi lep
ningol chakoba sahi khuding ki chathariba masi 2019 gi October date 29 da fish mela si pangthok DM College Arts Ground Thamaiban
hai ba hantak ki mela asida nga kayam yamna puthokpagi pandam leidi aduga nga gi mamal china mamang sahi singa yengnaba matamda karamba maungda lepagi
ningol chakoba gi fish mela da puthok deribisi last year say 86,617 kumsina 90,000 si puthok jagine sem sabna nga gi mamal si katla da 210 below 2 kg 2070 2 kg above 350 5 kg above rauna 210 below 1 kg 280 1 kg and above 350 2 kg and above marigalda 210 below 1 kg 280 1 kg and above rupees 390 2 kg and above common kapda 210 below 1 kg rupees 290 1 kg and above 280 2 kg and above grass kapdana rupees 210 below 1 kg rupees 280 2 kg and above rupees 350 5 kg and above silver kapdana 150 below 3 kg rupees 180 3 kg and above pemba khabak 450 below 300 gram rupees 350 above 300 gram masi aikoi gi Manipur da matam metuna pemba khabaga ngaton asi last year di 700 kg lerame
taki stall je sina kaya muk phamgan
stall si total 100 phamgeni
nga khwai da yam puthokpa singdana kari moida price ki
nga yamna puthokpa singna mo ki price si mari thokna thami jehi coding oina first price si 1 lakh second price 70,000 third na 50,000 ningol chakoba sina lakpada nongai ai phaba chawkhatpa peaceful oiba Manipur ama oira sunu
To the Entrepreneurship Development Program EDP for village-level entrepreneurs under Common Service Centers kicked off at Bisnupur District today. District E-Governance Society, Bisnupur organized the event under District Administration Bisnupur at Panchayat Resource Center in Bisnupur Mini Secretariat. Around 50 village-level entrepreneurs of Common Service Centers in Bisnupur District are participating in the program. (43rd) Assam Rifles Moray organized Know Your Army Fair at St. George's High School in Moray Town today. Town Commander of 43rd Assam Rifles, Major Rajiv Kumar, and CSO leaders graced the event. Assam Rifles personnel displayed various armaments at their fair attended by students from various schools in Moray. Now the sports news. MPSC Team B and CRPF Polo Team emerged successful in 35th N. Hazari and Dr. N. Tombi State Polo Tournament. In the 11th match played today at Imphal Polo Ground, MPSC Team B defeated K and MM Riding School Singzamay Team D by 15-3. For the winners, H. Abung Kumant scored 9 goals, O. Suresh and TH 2 goals each, while KH Sharat Kanta and T. Pradeep Kumar scored 1 goal each. In the 12th match, CRPF Polo Team beat Samuro Polo Club by 8-7. For the winners, H. Dracula and Y. Okarendazit scored 3 goals each, while M. Rupent and W. Dickens scored 1 goal each. 34 polo teams are participating in the knockout basis polo tournament held under the aegis of Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association. 2 subsequent matches will be played tomorrow. Two-day Fort Carmex Inter-School Thangta Group Competition 2019 concluded at Kumantlampak today. Kanglei Indigenous Martial Arts and Cultural Society Carmex in a press release informed that the winners of the competition will be felicitated on November 5. Winners of Tin Sway Football Tournament were felicitated at the conference hall of Hills Tribal Council Moray today. Moray Youth Club organized the event, graced by leaders of Hills Tribal Council Moray, Cookie Student Organization Moray, and various civil society organizations of Moray. The tournament was held on October 4 at Tumu town of Myanmar. Speaking on the occasion, Executive Member of Autonomous District Council Chandal, Geneva Halkip lauded the players of Moray Youth Club for achieving accolades at the tournament held in a foreign country. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. CPI National Executive Member Dr. Morangtim Nara says drafting of a stakeholders memorandum on Indo-Naga peace talks is completed. Protests against threat to territorial integrity of Manipur by final agreement of Indo-Naga peace talks continue unabated. Manipur Electricity Employees Union warns of ceasewalk strike right after Ningol Chakoba if their salary is not released before October 29. Governor Dr. Nasma Heftala reviews late Rajashri Begat Chandra for his contributions in popularizing Manipur's art and culture. And Directorate of Ayush along with State Ayush Society observed 4th Ayurveda Day on Ayurveda for a longevity theme.